This series of lighters has the most loyal and numerous fans worldwide, and in our country it's the Zipper Harley-Davidson series, a legendary collection built over years. The collaboration began in the 1990s. Since then, hundreds of limited edition models have been sold, featuring Harley logos, symbols, and motorcycle designs. Each lighter is officially licensed, must have a Harley logo on the body, with some models having decorations, metal accents, and special engravings, looking as powerful as a miniature motorcycle. Each Harley-Davidson lighter comes in a special box marked as an official product. There's a QR code on the back to verify authenticity. It's not just a lighter, it's a lifestyle. Zipper Harley-Davidson is a cult series for true fans.